All right, who's ready to go? Today we are going to do a rebounder, a little bit more advanced or intermediate bounce cardio. We're going to burn some calories today. We have about 12 exercises, maybe a bonus at the end. If you would like, you could use lace-ups to really up the game a little bit. All right, so whatever you want to do, light weights, no weights at all. We're going to start with a quick warm-up and then get into 4 exercises in the first round, 4 in the second, and 4 in the last round. So let's get some music going. Don't forget, stay hydrated. All right, let's go. Shake side to side. Engage that core, relax the shoulders. Overhead. Just warming up, basic bounce. All right, shake again. And let's do a few squats. Push the hips back. All right, let's go. Round 1, heel digs, half jacks, knees up, narrow bounce. Let's go, heel digs to the corner. I am jumping on my new Jump Sport 550. Jack, let's go. Pop the legs up. Give me that smile. Draining the lymphatic system today. Get those toxins out. Good. So you do about 30 seconds to a minute on each. Knees up, let it go. Pump the arms. Narrow bounce. Push down. Squeeze the inner thighs together. You're going to use your arms, push up. Good, shake side to side, shake side to side. Next round. Kick to the front. Front to back step or jump. Twist and jumping jacks. Ready? Kick front. Front to back. Swing your arms. Good, go to twist. Push down. Keep it going. Working that waist, the obliques. Jumping jacks, ready? Getting your cardio in today. Breathing heavy now. All right, shake side to side. Last set. Rocking horse. Stepping off and on the trampoline to the back. Happy monkey. And jump over. Ready? Rocking horse. Other side. Off and on the trampoline. Step off, step on. Pick up those feet. Off and on. Up and down. Make it a little harder. You can go to a kick. Step kick. Push back. Kick. Push back. All right. Do more of those. Ready? Kick. Push back. Do the other leg. Step up. Kick. Push back. Up. Go. All right, getting a little tired here. All right. Take a breather. Get back up. Finish with a jump over. Side to side. Push. Let's go. If you want, like I said, grab the lace-ups, do all of these over. One more time, do a great cardio workout today. All right, shake side to side. Step side to side. Slow down a minute. I got that bonus. Bonus is a one-leg hop, kicking forward and back. You want to try it with me? Step 2, we slowed the music down just a little bit on this one. Okay? This is the first time I'm really using these shoes. My husband got me for Christmas. All right, so bounce on one leg, kick forward, kick back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Let's try the other leg. Bounce. Kick forward, kick back. Working on balance. All right. Again. Balance. Kick forward, kick back. One leg is always a little easier than the other. Forward and back. Yay, you did it. A little joyful jump. And let's end with the heel lifts. Still engaging that core. Bring the heart rate down. These shoes are a little squeaky on this mat. I still like going barefooted. Slow it down. Breathe. Okay, let's do a couple of squats. A couple more. Let's do a couple more. And stretch to the side and around. Stretch to the other side and around. Open up the chest to the back. Clasp your hands. Bring your arms up. And again, up to the top. And reach down, grab your trampoline. And a squat. And then one vertebrae at a time. Come on up. And that's it for today. Shake it out. Thanks for joining me. I have some new subscribers. Thank you so much. Now be sure to go to my other workout routines that are a little bit low impact and beginner friendly if you are brand new. I have over 120, almost 140 now new videos since I've been doing this for 1 year. All right, again, this is the Jump Sport 550, my newest rebounder. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Whatever rebounder you get, make sure you love it just as much as I love it. All right, you can start with an inexpensive one and then move up gradually. All right, see you next time. I'm Rebounding with Cheryl. Thanks for joining me. All right, let's take this music off. All right, very good. Bye.